If your home's your castle, does someone need a warrant to cross the moat and check the wiring? That's what Roland Camara thought when he slammed his drawbridge in an inspector's face, leading to the case of Camara versus Municipal Court of the City and County of San Francisco. Camara rented premises on an apartment building's ground floor. The building's occupancy permit said that floor couldn't be used for residential purposes. Camara's landlord believed that Camara was living on his premises, so he reported Camara to the city. 3 times, city building inspectors tried to check out Camara's premises, and 3 times he denied them entry unless they produced a warrant. The police arrested Camara for violating a provision of the building code that authorized warrantless inspections. The trial court wouldn't buy Camara's argument that the provision was unconstitutional. The California Superior Court affirmed, as did the District Court of Appeal. The California Supreme Court denied a petition for a hearing. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.